Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Chrome completely black. So, first step is going to be to open up Chrome, and we're actually going to be downloading a theme that will make this completely black. So as you can see, my Chrome is currently grayish, and I want it to be completely black. So, to actually download this theme, we're going to want to go to Chrome extensions. So we're going to type Chrome extensions in our search bar and hit enter, and then we're going to be greeted with the website here, and it should be from chrome.google.com, and it should say Chrome Web Store. Click it, and then we're going to be greeted with all the extensions that you can install for Chrome. So you're going to want to go to the top left search bar right here where my mouse is, and just type just black, and that's going to be the name of our theme here. Click enter, and you're going to want to scroll down a little bit until you see themes, and then is going to be the first theme right in here, and it's called just black. And this theme is very popular, so you want to just to add it, you just want to hit this blue button right here. It says add to Chrome. Give it a second as it installs it, and now we have the theme. So if we open up a brand new tab, as you can see, my tab went from gray to black. But let's say you guys don't like this theme and you guys want to actually revert it back. So it's actually a pretty simple process. You're going to want to go to the top right here on the three dots, click it, go down to where it says settings, click it, and then on the left side here you have a button called appearance. You guys are going to want to click that, and then where it says theme, you can just hit reset to default, and this will actually change it back to what it originally was. And that's pretty much all there is for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.